Why are there not more people talking about how drone swarms are saving our forests? Hello, Drone Summit. This is Rajesh Bhairampally of TriDQ Systems. Today I'm diving into a game-changing solution that could significantly impact forest conservation efforts. Illegal poaching and mining have been major threats to our forests for years. These activities not only endanger wildlife and biodiversity, but also deplete our precious natural resources. But here's the kicker. Poachers and illegal miners often operate in remote, hard-to-reach locations, making manual monitoring both inefficient and hazardous. So how do we tackle this? Enter drone swarm systems. Imagine a fleet of drones, each equipped with thermal imaging and AI-based anomaly detection, soaring above dense forests. These drones work together, scanning vast areas in real time, detecting any unusual activities and sending alerts to authorities. This kind of tech isn't just cool, it's revolutionary. Let's break it down. Thermal imaging allows these drones to detect heat signatures from animals, humans, and even machinery. This means that even under the dense forest canopy or during the night, these drones can spot illegal activities. Now combine that with AI-based anomaly detection, which can differentiate between, say, a deer and a poacher, and you've got a powerful tool on your hands. The AI analyzes patterns and behaviors, flagging anything suspicious in real time. This drastically reduces false alarms and ensures that patrollers are focusing on genuine threats. With this technology, response times are faster and accuracy is improved. No more playing catch-up after the damage is done. And the best part? This system reduces our reliance on human patrollers who can now focus on strategizing and taking action rather than just monitoring. It's safer for them and more efficient for the cause. Think about it. A single system that's always watching, always analyzing, and always ready to alert. It's like having a team of conservation superheroes working around the clock. Of course, implementing this technology comes with challenges. There are costs, training, and regulatory hurdles to overcome. But the potential benefits far outweigh these initial setbacks. More accurate detection, faster response times, and safer operations. This is the future of forest protection. So if you care about our planet and its incredible biodiversity, keep an eye on drone technology. It might just be the tool that tips the balance in favor of Mother Nature. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is Rajesh Bhairampally of TriDQ Systems. Don't forget to get in touch with us. See you next time.